Mazamban.
Mazamban.
Akon.
Yes, salt, also salt is here.
Thank you. Hi, Nguju.
It's been beautiful, absolutely stunning. Loved it.
Yeah.
It was a flippin' amazing day. Weather's been absolutely fantastic. But now I'm completely out of breath.
Ah, the Swazi frontier, mate, not persistent.
We spent a lot of time together over the last 3 days, the four of us.
We've
And,
become good friends.
But at the end, there's a trend. And the trend is that we come second and they come first.
Hey, I tell you what, that's the best ever. The best ever Swazi frontier.
Awesome, fantastic.
Wait,
It's not a camera.
pick and punch. Pick.
Hard work.
16 seconds.
Let's be honest, I'm glad it's over.
Oh, it was a tough day, eh?
Pick.